The purpose of this video is to teach you what Discord is, how to best use it, and how to join the Surge Discord group. This first part will assume you do not know what Discord is and do not have it. If you have it and know how to use it, skip to the timestamp listed in the description. Discord is a chat service, very similar to Skype or TeamSpeak. It is primarily geared towards gamers, and has many tools in it to make it more useful for large, organized groups. Go to this link and select the appropriate version for Discord for your system. You may find the download link in the description below. Now that you have Discord, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its controls. It should appear mostly blank for you at this time, and that's perfectly fine. Click on the Surge Discord link, which you may find in the description below, and you will enter the Surge Discord. Upon entering the server, you would do well to change your nickname to your Roblox username. You may do so by finding your name on the right-hand side of the screen and right-clicking it, and then looking for Change Nickname. Once you're at this point, you should contact an HR in the Discord about receiving your perms. You are likely not even in IAP at this point, so you should tell someone so in a DM. You can do this by clicking on their name. A box with information about them will appear, and in the center of this box is an option to type a message to them. Typing a message in this box and hitting enter will send a private message to them that only you and they will be able to see. This will also open a DM history with them. Acceptance into IAP and the assigning of ranks is covered in the IAP entrance video, but will be briefly covered for convenience here. When joining IAP for the first time, in order to get rolled to IAP in the Discord, you need the following things: an account that is pending for IAP or already in IAP, and the badge from the IAP entrance course. Upon presenting these things, you should be accepted into IAP and given the IAP role in the Surge Discord. If you are already in IAP and need an exam given so that you may progress to the next stage, what you will want to do is go to the Testing Requests channel. Here you will say, Requesting A, and then the name of the test you need, followed by Sir. For example, if you are in S1, then you will request an S1 test. You will then wait until contacted by an officer or instructor. After having your test administered, you should remove your request for that test to avoid clutter in the channel. The process of getting your exam is simple. You will collect the correct number of the correct kind of screenshots for your rank, and then, when approached by an instructor for your exam, you will turn in the screenshots you've collected. An important reminder: every time your rank changes, all screenshots you have become invalid. Attempting to use invalid screenshots is serious, and you should avoid doing so. Now that you are in IAP and in the Discord, it's important to change your nickname appropriately. Your abbreviated rank should be held in brackets, with a space following, and then your Roblox username. You should update this every time your rank changes. Aside from this, there are a number of rules to be aware of in the Surge Discord. First, we will go over text channel rules. In off-duty text channels, you are expected to follow laws 1 and 15 at all times. All links shared in the group Discord are expected to be appropriate and related to the topic of the channel. Spamming in any of the channels is unacceptable behavior. When using the command to ping someone, you're expected to use it responsibly and with restraint. In all channels marked on duty, all Arconian laws are to be followed to the letter. The Surge Discord also contains a plethora of voice channels for speeding up communication and encouraging communal bonds. There are two types of voice channels: on duty and off duty. Off-duty channels are subject to laws 1 and 15. You are permitted to have playful fights, but do not actively start arguments with others, and do not pester anyone who doesn't want to speak to you. If you have a soundboard or voice changer, you are only permitted to use it in the Radio Archon channel. Lastly, refrain from making obnoxious noises or spamming your mic. Failure to follow these guidelines will result in a mute, kick, and ban from voice channels. While in on-duty channels, keep your conversation on topic and relevant to the task at hand. Do not talk over any leaders or officers, and refrain from making unnecessary noises or spamming your mic. Follow all Arconian laws in the on-duty voice chats. Thank you for joining the Surge family, and I look forward to serving with you.